Good morning, kids. I am really excited because today we are going to do an experiment about a gummy bear grow. We're gonna make a little gummy bear bigger, okay, guys? So, what did you need to do? I have all the gummy bears here. My hands are clean, okay? All the gummy bears are here. I know, I am really nice. So, what did you need? Of course, you need gummy bears. You will need water to pour in a clear cup or a clear glass or a clear jar. And then you will pick two different colors of gummy bears. Okay, in our experiment today, I'm going to pick a green one, green color gummy bear, and another one. I'm going to pick another one, red, okay? So, this is it. You will need salt. 2 glasses with half cup of water. 2 glasses with half cup of water. 2 glasses, okay, guys? And half cup of water. Then, what you're going to do, you are going to, your 2 half cup of water, you're going to put 1 tablespoon salt in one of the glasses, right? And you're going to mix the salt with the water. Then you are going to put 1 gummy bear in the water that is not salty, right? And another gummy bear in the water that is salty. Then, after you do that, you're going to let it sit there from 3-5 hours, okay? I already made mine last night and I got the results here. Okay, so now is the time when you use the worksheet that I sent to you. If you're not one of my students, you can go under in the comments and ask a grown-up to ask for worksheets so you can do this at home, okay? Okay, just make sure if you're really a young student, have a grown-up supervision, okay? You can do this at home and have fun. So I am going to show you the final result about my 2 gummy bears, okay? So I put one in this salty water. I put the green one in the salty water. See, the green one is here. And the red one is in regular water. I am going to come close and show you, okay, guys? So I'm going to show you closer. So look, here is my green gummy bear and the non-salty water. Okay, let's take it out and to show you what happened to this green gummy bear. Look at it, it came apart. It got so soft and it didn't grow. So if you have made your prediction, now you have to write down, okay, about what do you think it was going to happen. So the one in no salty water didn't grow. Okay, now let's check this one. The one in the salty water. Oh my goodness. He is a huge gummy bear, guys. Isn't that cool? We started with the red gummy bear. I'll show you. That was the size of it. We started with the gummy bear like that and look how big it grew. This one is in the water with no salt. Now you are going to write down on the worksheet if you were right. If you thought which one will grow. The one in the salty water or the one in the non-salty water. So in my result, the one in the non-salty water was the one that became a giant gummy bear. Isn't that cute, guys? Wow, so pretty. And that's it for how to grow a gummy bear. Have fun, guys. Bye.